Hello everybody, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'll be showing you guys how to replace your charger port on your Solo 4s. Tools you'll need: 2.0 Phillips, tweezers, pliers, something small to grab, but I only do that because I got big hands, and a prying tool. You'll need a soldering iron at 500 degrees Celsius. And first we'll start off with the earpads. The earpads have already been taken off on this pair, but just to reference, if it's still on there glued, this is how you take the earpad off. Grab your prying tool, you go in here, you pry one side, and you just go around prying it, and then you can just pull it off with the old tape. Put that aside. Now you grab your Phillips. You got three big screws. And then you got two small screws for the actual charge port. I take these off after I unsolder the charger port. It makes it a little bit easier. So you pop this open like that. Now you got the wires right here. You got a blue and black wire going to there. Don't worry about the red wire, that's for a speaker. So here you'll need a prying tool, which is why I use these. And there's a lot of glue on the actual charger port, and you'll have to be very careful and pull the glue off. It can be easy sometimes, it can be hard sometimes. It's a 50-50. I know the glue is different, I don't know why, but sometimes it's easier to pull off, sometimes hard. If it is difficult to pull off, you could use a blow dryer or a hair dryer or a heat gun like this and just warm it up a little bit, and once it got a little bit of warmth to it, comes off a little bit easier. But that's just if it's not coming off easy. Use something to heat it up, but something that blows air, and make sure if you start seeing anything else start melting, move that out of there. You don't even need that much heat, but it just makes it easier without breaking any of the points. Need a little bit more for this corner. Just like that. Then, just so you don't forget, you want to take a photo of the colors of the wires, or if you got long-term memory, you could just remember the colors of the wires after you resolder. Grab your soldering iron and pull off the points. At 500 Celsius, it takes about 1 millisecond for it to come off, so right when you put the point on, you can pull the wire off. It is that fast. Just like that, all the points are now off. What I like to do is move them to the side a little bit, create some space for myself. Now we'll go to this back end. Now we unscrew the charger port wires. Once you unscrew the charger port wires, you can pull the charger port off. It's a C-type for the Solo 4s. Throw that one out, grab your new one, place it in there, and before you start soldering, again, we'll do the opposite. We'll now screw it in. This just keeps it stable on the actual point, so it makes soldering 1092% easier. Now you grab your tweezers again, or use your fingers, either or, and solder everything back on. Just like that, and double check your solder points. Like this one right here was a little too close to the other point, and you can't have them touching or even close, or your headphones won't work and it won't charge. But just double check, make sure the wire is still staying in there nice and clean. Now when you place this back together, just watch these wires and make sure these wires don't overlap with the screw hole, or when you screw your headphones back in, or when you screw the Phillips screws back in, you will damage your wire. And then you could also check by looking here. If you see no wires in the way, you're good to go. Grab your 3 screws, screw it back in. I'm not going to do the last screw just for the video's sake. That's how you do it. And then you grab your ear pad. If you still have the old tape and it's good, you have pin right there, pin right there, pinhole there, pinhole there. Just mix and match. Boom. That's how you do Solo 4 charger port repair. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.